Our next sector is environment, where Infinita Biotech. Infinita, which works in the field of waste to wealth, has developed a wide range of eco-friendly products for many industrial segments, which motivates the end users to switch to these products while providing equivalent results when compared to conventional solutions.
Alright, moving right on then, and another winner of the National Startup Awards is the Vadodara-based enzyme manufacturer Infinita Biotech. They've bagged the pole position in the environment category. Joining in on the show right now is Adarsh Desai. He is the managing director of Infinita Bio. Congratulations on that win. Let's just understand a little bit more about what exactly the outlook is in terms of the India enzyme industry and how it's evolved in the country over the years.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me on the show. I highly appreciate it. The enzyme scenario in India is growing at a rapid pace. People are slowly getting more and more aware about the numerous applications that enzymes have and the benefits attached to it. Basically, enzymes works as a replacement to multiple chemicals in different industries. Basically, whatever you can see from your eyes as a potential enzymes application in it. So people are slowly getting aware, and I think the way India is growing and the way all the industries are growing, I think the role of enzymes is getting more and more important day by day. Be it biofuels, be it food, be it beverages, be it dairy, be it textiles. I think the scope of enzymes is just going to get bigger with the day.
All right, fair enough. So just let's understand how exactly it works as well for the company. What exactly is it? What exactly is enzymes being used in biotechnology? And what exactly is it that the company does at Infinita Biotech?
So basically, enzymes are like proteins. They act as a catalyst to aid a reaction. I mean, the reactions could be numerous. And basically, they enhance the process. They help in enhancing the process. Infinita Biotech is into development and manufacturing of enzymatic solutions for an array of industries, right from food, beverage, effluent treatment, agriculture, biofuels, etc. Our forte lies in developing customized enzymatic solutions. So apart from the conventional enzymes being used in industries such as detergent, textiles, our specialty lies in developing very unique blends, which are a blend of multiple enzymes and essential ingredients, which help in further improving efficiencies and solving niche problems. Such as, to give an example, one of our very specialized enzymes formulation is for crude oil spills remediation, like how we have all these oil spills in the ocean. So we have been able to develop an enzymatic solution which can degrade all these oil spills. So Infinita Biotech is positioned well to fight different challenges, national problems, which can be solved enzymatically.
Okay. Now, I understand that majority of your revenues come from exports. Can you just walk us through what that contribution is to your total revenue pie? And are you seeing any, global headwinds or challenges impacting your export revenues?
Yes, our exports revenue comprises almost of 70% from our total turnover. And we are currently exporting to more than 30 countries, covering all the major continents. I think because of all these price hikes across the globe, we are poised well to fight our European and American competitors, because of course we are able to produce products in a more cost-efficient manner. So I think we're looking at expanding our multiple geographies and tapping the untouched markets.
So which geographies are you looking to expand to? What kind of untouched markets do you see strong revenue contribution from?
In this coming financial year, we are going to focus a lot on the South American market, the Latin American market. We are already present in 2 countries in South America, but we wish to expand our reach to other countries as well. We are quite present in Europe, in Middle East, in Asia. So yes, definitely Latin America is going to be one of our main focus points.
Okay. Given that the bioservices market in India stands at about 29,000 odd crores, the Indian enzyme market in comparison at about 2,500 crore rupees seems to be smaller. What kind of growth potential are you seeing for the India enzyme market, and how do you as a company plan to really capitalize on that growth?
So I think I can see a growth of at least 15 to 20% of the enzymes industry on a year-on-year basis. And I think there are few areas which are growing at a rapid pace in India, which will in turn increase the requirements of enzymes significantly. For example, to give an example, the new biofuel policy has a mandate of around 20%. I mean, right now we are at around 10% of ethanol blending, but the country is poised to grow and increase it to 20%. So for the same, multiple ethanol plants are being set up in the country. I mean, close to more than 190 plants are going to come in next few years. And all of these ethanol plants more or less require enzymes for their processes. So one can imagine that there's just going to be so much requirement of enzymes just from this one industry. And as I already mentioned, that enzymes have an application in almost all the things which we can see from our eyes. So be it textiles. So as and when all these industries grow, which are going to use enzymes, even the enzymes market is going to increase.
Okay, so, given that you're one of the winners of the National Startup Awards, walk us through what you plan to do with the funds, how you're going to utilize it, what kind of revenue run rate you envisage for the company.
So being a very R&D oriented company, we would like to use the funds which we receive from Startup India Awards completely into R&D. We will be using that fund to enhance our R&D capabilities. And I think for the upcoming financial year, we are looking at least another 30% growth from this current financial year.
Okay, so just wanted to ask, is there a lot of competition within this space, in terms of players that already exist and how you plan to retain your market share? What strategies in place that will make you be a differentiator, disruptor, or your USP really?
So yes, I mean, there has been a growing competition, not only from India, not only from domestic players, but also from players in China and other countries. So, but what makes us different, what gives us an edge over our competitors is the customization factor. Our company's forte is into customization. Infinita Biotech specializes into developing very tailor-made solutions for our clients. So it's not that we are only producing generic products and like a one product for all. We like to work with our clients very closely, be it any industry, and develop very unique solutions as per their specific requirements and processes. So this makes us very different. This makes us help the client to work in the most cost-efficient and effective manner. So I think customization is the key to the success of our business, and that is something we want to really focus on in the coming years.
All right, we wish you all the very best. Adarsh, thanks so much for taking time out and joining us today on Startup Central.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, the union budget is less than 2 weeks away now, and startups across the country are hoping for higher allocation. CNBC TV 18's Abhimanyu Sharma talks to founders of various startups on their budget wish list.
45 awards were given to startups across 17 sectors on occasion of the National Startup Awards 2022. Here is what the award-winning startups want from the government and the government's roadmap to promote emerging companies.
Right now, a lot of crop is being burned. Millions and millions of tons of waste is being burnt, and it can be seen in different parts of the country where the pollution is rising massively. I think the biggest problem which needs to be addressed right now, and which my company Infinita Biotech is addressing, is managing waste. We are helping developing enzymes where we turn waste into biofuels, thereby reducing import bills and bills of crude oil, and helping increasing the blending mandate, and in turn turning a waste which is a liability into an asset. From the budget point of view, I really feel that there should be a higher allocation on waste management on the biotechnology sector, because of course India is ranking very high in IT and different technology departments, but I think biotechnology is something where India has a huge scope in, and something companies like us require the support on. And I really feel that budget should be on the lines of managing agroeconomies and biotechnology sectors.
ઇન્ફિનિટા બાયોટેકને નેશનલ સ્ટાર્ટઅપ એવોર્ડ 2022 એનાયત થયો છે. 16મી જાન્યુઆરી 2023ના રોજ વાણિજ્ય અને ઉદ્યોગ રાજ્યમંત્રી શ્રી સોમપ્રકાશની હાજરીમાં વાણિજ્ય અને ઉદ્યોગ ગ્રાહકો બાબતે ખાદ્ય અને જાહેર વિતરણ કાપડ મંત્રી શ્રી પિયુષ ગોયલ દ્વારા નેશનલ સ્ટાર્ટઅપ એવોર્ડ 2022ના પરિણામોની જાહેરાત કરવામાં આવી હતી.